In this video, I'm breaking down everything you need to know about troubleshooting common concrete problems like scaling, spalling, discoloration, and uneven curing so you can keep your projects looking solid and lasting long. Concrete isn't just some boring gray slab. It's the backbone of a lot of home projects, and when things go wrong, it can get frustrating fast. Let's get into how you can spot these issues early and handle them like a pro. First off, scaling usually happens when the surface flakes off because of freeze-thaw cycles or poor finishing, so make sure you're using the right mix and curing it properly to avoid that flaky surface. Spalling is more about chunks breaking off, which usually means the concrete wasn't sealed right or water got trapped inside. Applying a good sealer and improving drainage around your project can help big time. Discoloration can drive you nuts, but it often comes from uneven mixing or inconsistent curing conditions. The fix is to mix your batches carefully and keep the temperature and moisture steady while it cures. Uneven curing is a sneaky one because it makes your concrete crack or look blotchy, so keep that surface covered with plastic or a curing compound and avoid walking on it too soon. Also, timing matters. Don't rush pouring new layers on top or sealing before the concrete is ready. When you're mixing concrete yourself, always double-check ratios of water to cement because too much water weakens the whole thing. And finally, take your time with finishing. The right tools and technique make a huge difference in avoiding these issues down the road. One of the biggest mistakes I see is people ignoring proper curing times, which leads to all sorts of problems like cracking and discoloration. Just remember, good curing means keeping the concrete moist and protected for at least 7 days. Another common slip-up is overwatering the mix, making the concrete weak and prone to scaling or spalling. Stick to the recommended water amounts and you'll avoid that. Lastly, rushing the finishing process is a trap. If you try to smooth too early or too hard, you risk damaging the surface texture and causing uneven curing, so be patient and gentle. If you're looking to get concrete work done but don't know where to start, bighomeprojects.com is a solid spot to connect with trusted local contractors who know their stuff. It's also great if you're a contractor yourself, helping you find homeowners who need your skills on projects just like this one.